so my son Eldon came to me and he has got a cool project in mind with an old truck or a parts truck we have sitting around. So why don't we go take a look at what he's talking about. This is the truck he's talking about. He wants to do something with. So I bought this truck off of a guy, actually a father and son. It was a father and son project. The son needed some money to start a business. So they sold this to me with motor, chassis, everything. I just wanted the body for parts. I sold the motor and chassis. They weren't what I was interested in at all. And it's basically been floating around the shop for 3 years. It looks like Eldon's been gathering parts up. So Eldon, what is it you want to build and what are you trying to do?
All right, guys, I wanted a rat rod. I wanted something fast and dirty. I wanted something on the line I could just take off and go and people wouldn't even expect it. So this is where I'm starting with.
So you want basically a junker that's a sleeper, so you pull up at the light and you just smoke somebody in there what they think is a badass build?
Exactly.
Okay.
Nothing more.
That's something you don't want to have to worry about.
Exactly.
Well, this kind of fits the bill. I mean, it's a parts truck. I basically said we could do whatever we wanted with this. So what are you thinking? Like,
I think I'm ready to go and start building it.
well, we got a body here. What are you thinking for the chassis?
Ooh, you know, I think we have a 2000 Ford Explorer chassis sitting around.
Ooh.
With a 30250.
That's actually a good option. So we picked up a few of those Ford Explorer chassis a few years back, 2000 Explorer chassis for just like $300-400 a piece. Actually, the whole truck. We tossed the truck, kept the chassis, rebuilt the motors, sold the catalytic converters for like a few $100, got most of our money back. And then we converted them to fit 56s, and we still got a couple spares laying around, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
And we got a spare 302. Okay, so let's go take a look at that real quick. So here we go. This is the chassis. So this is one of the chassis we pulled out of one of those Explorers. It was configured to fit a 56 Ford. It's got a 302 5-liter V8 in it. You would have found this in like a Fox body Mustang or the Explorer. They actually had a bunch of them left over and they put them in the 2000 Explorers, which is a really cool thing. And so we actually rebuilt this motor and put it on this chassis. It's been sitting ever since. We've really done nothing with it. So what are you thinking?
I think this is gonna be awesome platform for my truck, my little rat rod. I mean, it's all-wheel drive. No one's gonna expect this when it's done, so I'm excited.
So you got a chassis, you got a body. We pretty much have every part needed to build this in shop. So you could probably, you got long tube headers on here. You could supercharge it. There's a lot you could do. You could really make this a sleeper. So yeah, why don't you show me all what you can do? Build a rat rod. Let's, you got to build it with stuff we got here.
I'll show you what I got.
We're not going to go buy a bunch of stuff. You got to build it with stuff we have here that's spare, no new parts. I don't want to see a bunch of stuff ordered.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's under a budget. I get that. You know, you're gonna be impressed. Just wait.
All right. We got it. Let's see what you got. Let's go check on Eldon and see where he's at on that rat rod he's building. He's had a few days to work on it. All right, Eldon, what's happening?
Well, as you can see, I got the cab, bed, and front clip installed on this truck.
All right.
And if I do say so, it was a pretty good time. Like, to be honest with you.
All right, it's looking good. You got a lot more to do, looks like.
Yeah.
You got a lot more to do, so.
I mean, there's always stuff you can do, but
You got a lot more to do just to get it running, but hey.
it's a start.
It's a start.
Yeah.
You got it partially assembled and ready for phase 2.
Yeah. Phase 2, a little bit of trans-tone and some wiring work. But
Get your brake system hooked up.
yeah.
But all right, looks like you're ready to get your brakes hooked up. Looks like your motor's mostly wired up. You're ready to connect it all to the cab and phase 2.
Yeah.
So I think next we're gonna have you probably what you work on steering column, your dash, seats, all that. Get this thing ready.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. You want to see progress on this? Stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget about that. And comment what else you think I could do on this truck to make it more badass.
What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? Go ahead. Tear into us. We're good.
Yeah.